How to unmute chat notifications on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unmute chat notifications on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and now click Spotify here. Just click on any chat you want like Spotify and then click these 3 points in the top corner and on here. All you need to do just click notifications and sounds, and here we'll find it, mute notifications. Now click on it, disable it and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.